Hello, welcome to Inception classes. Today I am going to teach you class 10th mathematics chapter 8 introduction of trigonometry in brief. So let's start the video. The word trigonometry can be expressed as the combination of three words: tri, gon and metron. Meaning of tri is three, meaning of gon is sides and meaning of metron is measurement. बेसिकली हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ट्रिगोनमेट्री में हम ट्रायंगल के मेजरमेंट के बारे में बात करेंगे. वी ऑल नो दैट द सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल्स ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल इज 180 डिग्री. एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी इज 180 डिग्री. Let angle B is equal to 90 degree, then we get angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. And in a triangle, if only one angle is 90 degree, then we can say that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is made of three elements: base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. In this triangle ABC, AC is hypotenuse. But why? Because in class 9th we have studied that side opposite to the greatest angle is the largest. In triangle ABC, angle B is the largest angle, so AC is the hypotenuse. Now question arises, which is base, BC or AB? Answer is both can. It only depends on your view angle. What is your view angle? You are studying trigo first time, so I will give you some techniques which help you to recognize the base and the perpendicular. Any angle in a triangle is made up of two arms. In right angle triangle ABC, you have only two choices for your view angle: angle A or angle C. Because angle B is 90 degree and it is certain. If we talk about angle C, it is made of two sides, BC and AC. AC is hypotenuse, we talked about. The remaining side BC is base. If BC is base, then AB is perpendicular. Now we talk about angle A. It is made of two sides, AB and AC. AC is hypotenuse, then the remaining side AB is base. If AB is base, then BC is perpendicular. I hope you can easily find out perpendicular and bases in right angle triangle. I am going to repeat it in Hindi because it is the most important part for first exercise. अगर बेस को पहचानना है तो दो ही व्यू एंगल हो सकते हैं, या तो एंगल ए या तो फिर एंगल सी. एंगल सी दो आर्म से मिलकर बना हुआ है, BC और AC. तो अगर एंगल सी की बात की जाए तो बेस या तो BC होगा या तो AC होगा. AC हमें पहले से पता है कि ये हाइपोटेनियस है, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि एंगल C के लिए बेस हमेशा BC होगा और परपेंडिकुलर हमेशा AB. और अगर एंगल A की बात की जाए तो इसके दो आर्म्स AB और AC हैं. AC हाइपोटेनियस है तो AB हमेशा बेस होगा. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज T ratios. There are 6 T ratios in trigonometry: sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. In short, we can say that sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Sine is the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. Cos is the ratio of base and hypotenuse. Tan is the ratio of perpendicular and base. Cot is the ratio of base and perpendicular. Sec is the ratio of hypotenuse and base, and cosec is the ratio of hypotenuse and perpendicular. There are some relations between them. Sine and cosec are reciprocal of each other. Cos and sec are reciprocal of each other, and tan and cot are reciprocal of each other. By cross multiplication we get another result. Sine and the product of sine and cosec is 1, product of cos and sec is 1, and product of tan and cot is 1. Let's take an example. In question number 2 of first exercise of your textbook, it is given that PQR is a right angle triangle, right angle at Q, and PQ is equal to 12, PR is equal to 13. Then find tan P minus cot R. If PQ is equal to 12, PR is equal to 13, then QR is equal to under root 13 का square minus 12 square is equal to 5 centimeter by Pythagoras theorem. And if QR is equal to 5 centimeter, then tan P, here view angle is P, so corresponding side is the base, PQ is the base, then tan P is equal to P by B, here P is QR and B is PQ, then value of tan P is 5 by 12. And if we talk about cot R, here view angle is R, then corresponding side is the base, QR is the base, cot R is equal to base by perpendicular, here base is QR and perpendicular is PQ, then the value of cot R is 5 by 12. According to question, tan P minus cot R is equal to what? Tan P and cot R are equal, then 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 is 0. Tan P minus cot R is equal to 0. Later on in the next video, I will bring the full solution of exercise 8.1. Thank you.